If your TCL Smart TV suddenly went black, won't turn on, or the power light comes on but the screen stays dead, don't panic. This is one of the most common TCL issues, and in most cases you can easily fix it yourself. In this video, I'll show you the exact fixes that actually work, starting from the easiest one that solves the problem for most people and all the way to the final test that tells you if it's a hardware issue. Hey everyone, this is Abdul. Let's fix your TCL TV. First, unplug the TV from the wall. Now you need to find the physical power button on the TV, not the remote. On most TCL TVs, the power button is underneath the TCL logo or on the back of the TV, usually on the right or left side. In my case, it is exactly underneath the TCL logo. Once you've found the button, with the TV unplugged, press and hold the TV power button for 20 seconds. Now after 20 seconds, release the button. Leave the TV unplugged for another 2 full minutes. Now after that, plug the TV into a wall socket back again. Press the power button that you located once again to turn it on. Please press the button on the TV, not the remote. If the screen comes back, you're done. If not, keep watching. Method 2. Try a different power source. This step sounds simple, but it fixes more TVs than you'd expect. Plug the TV into a different wall socket. If possible, test it in another room. If the TV suddenly turns on, the TV is fine, the original socket or the strip was the issue. Method 3. Flashlight test. If none of the methods worked, this test tells us exactly what's wrong. Turn the TV on, turn off the room lights, use your phone flashlight, shine it very close to the screen. Look carefully for a faint image, menu, apps or shadows. If you can see a faint picture, that means the TV is actually on. The backlight has failed. This is not a settings issue. At this point, if the TV is under warranty, contact TCL support. If it's out of warranty, a repair shop can replace the backlight, usually cheaper than buying a new TV. If you see nothing at all, the issue is likely with the power board or the main board. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please make sure to hit that like button as it really helps the channel out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.